welcome back to my channel. So we are here today for another share of what I received for my send a signature swap. This is a parcel from or swap from Debbie or Deborah Martin. Anywho, I have covered my address, but I wanted to show you because I wanted to show you how beautiful this packaging and I think I'm gonna make it into a journal again, like I did the last time. So yeah, I thought I just wanted to show you how beautiful that is. So that's gonna be saved. I've opened it. Are you ready? I can feel it's like chock block again, like literally full to the brim. Oh wow, what have you done, Deborah? My goodness. Anywho, okay, let's start with this. Do we start with this red part? With this red baggie? Oh my goodness, Debbie. I'm gonna call you Debbie if you don't mind, Deborah. Oh, you didn't have to. Oh my word. Okay, here's a card from Deborah. It's a beautiful owl card. Oh my goodness. Here's your December swap. I hope you like my makes and the goodies. I got carried. I think I got a bit carried away since everybody's. Oh, thank you so much, Debbie. It's gonna be treasured. It is a December swap. Oh, that made me well up. Oh, Debbie. Oh. Right, in this little baggie, we've got a lovely wrapping paper. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh, more fabric. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I just welled up a little bit. Oh wow, I love this. Oh wow, Debbie. Oh, look at that. I have a dog and her name is Poppy. Oh, it's like, looks like Poppy, isn't it? Just a different color. But oh my god, I love this, Debbie. I really do. I really do. She's giving me dog themed fabrics. I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm welling up. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, my little pop-pops there. Oh, how do you even? I can't. Oh my days. I've been spoiled rotten again, you guys. Oh my days. I just don't. Oh. Anywho. Okay. A green fabric. Oh. Debbie, what have you done? Oh my goodness, different sort of paper. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. There's a little baggie there that we'll have to open together. I think this video will just solely be for this swap. Because there's a lot in here. Tissue paper, like this die, this die cutty things. More wrapping paper. Oh my goodness. Again, I have another project whirling in my head. Debbie, you're so naughty. Oh, this is a dog theme one. I love it, a Christmas dog theme, but I love it. I really do. Really love it. Thank you so much, Debbie. What is this? Oh wow. It's like a string of, oh wow, this is so beautiful. And a little bit of little oh, I'm so soppy. Sorry guys, I'm so soppy. I've just got suddenly just overwhelmed with joy. Oh, I love this little what you call this, kind of like a little tabs or sentiments. Oh, I'm glad you can't see me. Just a soppy mess. And then some beautiful tags. And oh dear, oh Debbie, yogi tea. That's my fave. That's my husband's fave tea. I do drink it every now and again. But yeah. Oh, right. Let's put this together. Oh, this is so beautiful. She spoiled me rotten again. Debbie, how can I ever thank you? How? Okay, right. Parcel number 2. I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna be like is to save all of this again. I'm gonna be saving all of this. That's just how I roll. Because I use them. The packaging that was used on the last swap that I've shown you, I've used it already. I've used it. And I'll tell you when I share the video. What is this? Oh my days. So, another little baggie of goodies. Oh my freaking god. Debbie, you definitely got carried away. Oh my days. This is beautiful. This is going into my journal as a little pocket. I hope that it fits. But I will make it fit. She's giving me some beautiful strings again, and strings or yarn. Some beautiful ribbon washi. Oh my goodness. And then I think this is the swap. I believe this is one of the swap. So this is one of the swaps. It's like a swatch card. Oh, I love those colors. Those gold, those shimmer. And then it has this beautiful, how did you even do this? Paper clip. And then with that is more paper. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Debbie, what have you done? More. Oh wow. And more. Oh, this is the one in the front of the thingy. Oh no, it's the same. But yeah, it's the one that's in my envelope, in the packaging. Wow. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it, Debbie. And then another whatchamacall this? Fabric. This could be a nice closure, you guys. Oh my goodness. Right. What's in this little parcel now? Oh, lots of scraps. I love scraps. And some charms. Wow. I love these scraps. I love it. Okay, so that's, oh goodness. All right, let's put this back because I know I'm gonna lose something. Right. Parcel 2. So I had the first, where's that swatch card? So this is the project. There should be 3 of them. So let's, have she dotted them around in this little parcel? Oh dear. Oh god. Right. Oh my goodness. other one. Right, let's put that there. There's the other thingy. Okay, hang on a minute. I can see a little theme going on in here. I've just caught on to it. Hang on a minute. Oh my goodness, that is so clever. Right, so that's, hang on. That's that. Right. And that's with that. There is a theme going on. I've just noticed that. You see it? Oh my God. You got carried, Debbie. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Oh my days. And then that matches whatever the, oh, how beautiful. Oh, wow. Debbie, what have you done? Oh, it is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. I would love this to go in my journal. Oh, so there's a tart. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Right. What's in here? It's the offcuts of this, isn't it? I'm so excited. Yes. And charm. And a charm. Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. Right, let's pop that there. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful napkin. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my days. I'm gonna flick through because you really have this pink fabric. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm literally speechless, you guys. I'm literally speechless. Oh my goodness, Debbie, you've spoiled me rotten. You didn't have to do this, but I'm really thankful. Really thankful. There. So yeah, there's a theme going on in here, you guys. Okay. Next. And oh, beautiful wrapping paper again. Okay, so this must be, that's going to be saved there. My signature. Oh, wow. Look at that, you guys. So the project is, or the swap should have just been a signature and the swatch cards, the swatched tag, or like that card, long card. Oh my goodness, this is, even this is, oh, I'm gonna have fun decorating this. I really will have fun. Look at that. Oh, does that flip? Oh yeah, it does. Oh, look at that. Yes, that packaging will definitely be the cover. It will be definitely be the cover for sure. Okay, last but not the least, I am just in tears, guys. I am just in tears. I'm so sorry. I'm a soppy mess. Oh God, it's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I bet this is blue. Oh my God. Oh days. Oh my blinking days. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. The little the detail the ribbon, the color scheme. What? Oh, what? And then this is beautiful as well, with this little, oh, this is that one, like that. I love it. I love it. I love them all. I would have just been happy with the tags. And the thing is, they're just beautiful. It's exquisite. But, oh my goodness, Debbie. And this must be the offcuts. I'm gonna enjoy, kind of like putting them together. Look at that. Oh, I've got some ideas in that one, like that. Look at the little squares. Oh my goodness. I just feel I don't deserve this. But anyway, I'm not gonna be, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just lucky. I feel lucky and I feel blessed by these lovely ladies. Since I've joined the group, it has been an amazing journey. I've learned a lot, as I said. Wow, I've learned a lot of things. I learned a lot of tricks. Melanie has taught us a lot of things, inspired us. We just continue to inspire each other, and I feel like I do kind of try my hardest to push the boat a little bit for me. I've done things I haven't done before, crafting wise, paper craft wise, and I'm really thankful. I guess this video is thank you to Debbie and thank you to all the lovely ladies I've swapped with, because without them, without the group, without Melanie, I wouldn't have met all these lovely people, and I wouldn't have created such beautiful things that I can use at some point. I need to use them. I'm starting to go through all my journal that I've made through the years, because I want to kind of like yeah, use them and make it more memorable for me. Let's have a look at the other things that have been sent. Beautiful papers. Oh, amazing. Oh, look at that. I love the foiled. I'm beginning to love the foiled papers again. I love it. And another beautiful fabric. And silk. It's got like a matching thing. I love it. I love it all. Okay. So that's it for my swap. I'm really sorry about the very long video, but I just wanted to show you what I received from Debbie. I thought it was gonna be like a short one and then we can craft, but I think I've taken so much of your time just to show how I appreciate everything that have been sent and everybody that I have received swaps from, and just overall thankful to Melanie and the whole group. But yeah, next time I will be crafting and putting things together again. I have managed to stitch the last project. I've done some stitching on the journal cards that we've made. So we're gonna try and put some more things together because we haven't done that for a long time. But yeah, I am signing off from now. For now, but I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me waffle on and be a soppy mess. But I do hope that you stick around and carry on joining me in this lovely adventure that I'm on with the Treasured Page group. And I'm really thankful and really enjoying. This is the second year I've taken part. I'll probably join that following year, the next swap, because I'm really enjoying it. I really enjoy meeting lots of people and making friends and all that. Right, I waffled on too much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all a great week and I'll see you soon. Bye.